construct a distribution. I'm going to keep hitting you guys with this over the next couple days. This will be one of the last things we do. Just to get you ready for 243, those of you going that way. And if you're not going that way, get you ready for reading the news more effectively. So, here are the outcomes. What can you get?
2 through 12.
2 through 12, yeah? Either the smallest roll is 1 and a 1, biggest roll is a 6 and a 6, and they all have clever names. Snake Eyes and Boxcars are the 2 and the 12, and everything else has a name too, which I don't remember.
Yeah, but everybody remembers Snake Eyes.
Snake Eyes. Well, they made a movie called Snake Eyes. Somebody made a movie called Boxcars. Although it's a great Jump Ranger song. So here's our outcomes. Beautiful. Now, let's get a running total of how many of each we got in here. Got it? All right. So I'm gonna put a frequency of occurrence over here. So let's collect some data.
220 of these?
I want 20 altogether, and the more the merrier. I mean, the more we get, the better. So raise hands and show me with fingers how many Snake Eyes did we get. How many times did we roll Snake Eyes? We got Snake Eyes, a couple back there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 total? All right, 6 Snake Eyes. And this is interesting. This is going to be fun. We're going to see if we got a large enough sample. Let's see the underlying pattern. How many 3s did we get? How many 3s? 3s did we get? Sums of 3s. 2, 4, 6, 7. You got 5, Shell?
I got 3.
You got 3, okay. Wait, 3 or 1?
1, 3.
1, 3, gotcha. Okay, I understand. I understand what you're saying now. Okay, keep your hands up. I'm sorry, I lost count because I'm a guy and I can't talk and think. 16. There we go. Beautiful. Thank you, friends. 4s. 4s did we get? 3. Beautiful. 5s. 5s did we get? 5s did we get?
Oh, 3.
30.
I actually found 2 more. If you
2 more 5s?
Yeah.
Well, let's call it 32 then. That's beautiful. 6s. Joe got 8 of them.
I can't believe I got none.
You got none. Hey, I can. You know why? Wait, let's pause this counting for just 1 second. Pause this question for just 1 second and listen to what Diana said.
6 is one of the most common numbers.
She said she can't believe she didn't get any 6s, and I said I totally can. Why did I say that? Think yesterday.
There's only one way to get 6.
There's many ways to get 6. There's many ways to get 6, which means Di's consternation is, wait a minute, if you kind of see the pattern happening. It's getting more likely as we go up. But why am I not surprised that she didn't get any?
Because that's just how that works.
What? Because? But why does it just happen? What happens with random numbers? They clump, which means Di, somewhere during some rolls of dice, 6s are clumping somewhere together. Yeah. It has to happen somewhere. It has to happen somewhere. It just didn't happen for you. But you will be balanced somewhere else. Sure, when you're the person that doesn't roll the 6s, it looks weird. But guys, hands up again. Hands up again. I think they're over there with Joe. I think they're over there with Joe. Why doesn't Joe give you 4 of his and he keeps 4 and we call you both 4? And we get the same sum, yeah? That's the point, my friend. That's the point, is that, yes, it's going to be kind of weird. Sorry, hands up. I'll count now. I love that statement, though. 8, 16. 45, 7, 52, 53. Yes. Whew. We're going to come back. I'm going to put n equals 20 to remind myself of something over here. We're going to come back to that moment. You guys all roll 20 times, yeah? Okay, I'm going to keep that on deck. 7s! Up to 7s. We might need toes on this one for some people. I'm not sure. No 7s. Love it. Shit. Put your hands back up. I got excited because there was somebody with no 7s, and I lost count. Damn it. Jordan, how many you got?
4. You got 9 and 7s.
25, 28,
That's where all
32.
Yeah, I got your 7s too. Don't worry, we'll share.
47.
We're a sharing class.
52. We are. 52. Hold that thought. 56, 59. Why are we a sharing class?
Because we're putting all our data together.
Why is that okay? What are we doing by putting all of our data together?
We're trying to look at the big picture and find
The
out.
big picture. Remember how we talked about overtime on the long run? We're creating the long run by putting all of our data together. So rather than having one person roll 20 dice, or 2 dice 20 times, which has lots of random noise in it. We'll come back to that because I have an Excel spreadsheet to monitor this too. We're actually going to see underlying patterns. So that way when Ryan doesn't roll 7s and Di doesn't roll 6s, we're not like, whatever, that happens sometimes. Because somebody over here got 9 7s, I believe.
Yeah.
So we're going to give 4.5 of your 7s to Ryan. And you get to keep 4.5. And if you don't like the 4.5, then you give 5 to him and you keep 4, we call it good.
Well, I want the bigger number.
Well, then you keep 5, that's fine. And the point is that things are smoothing out. All right, how about 8? Let's get some 8s. There we go. Oh, God.
So much math.
So much adding. I suck at this.
They're just counting.
Yeah, seriously.
Just counting?
Yeah, just, you got the.
I have a 6-year-old. My brain is fried. Yeah, one more?
Like 7.
No.
Oh, I got you. We're good. We're good. 6-year-old. My brain is completely shot. Just adding. All right, 9s. 9s. Love it. 9s. Three. 33 to tie with the 8s. Love it. Love it.
Did you need a calculator?
Oh, no, let's do that up even more. 10s! 10s! Because we're almost done. $27. Love it. 11s! $27, tied for 10s. And boxcars, double 6s. Double 6s, baby. Hells yeah. 16, all right.
Hey, look, it's a quadratic bottle.
Wow.
Oh, good. Here's what I want to do, a couple different ways. Would you guys be so kind as to calculate for me based on our data, calculate the probability as a decimal. Give me a decimal because a decimal is going to be easier to calculate, or at least to understand. So do this number over the total number of rolls that we did. So the first thing you're going to have to calculate is the sum of all these numbers together. That's the first thing you have to calculate. Then you have to divide this guy by each. I wouldn't put much faith in my adding. It should be 20 times how many you are, but double check me. I almost guarantee that that doesn't add up to a multiple of 20 because I can't add very well. But I add close enough to get the big picture. Yeah, so you guys, first things, add this up. Then take a few minutes, we're up to our break now, so take your 5 as you need it. And then divide each of these numbers by that sum and fill the next column out. And then we're going to graph it and look. We're going to graph it and look at it, and we're done. Cool, take your time, take your time. I'm going to shut this down temporarily.